Zapier versus Make. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be comparing Zapier with Make. So let's get into it. So first things first, what I want to say is they're both automation tools and they're both really good. It all comes down to personal preference and what works best for you. And over here, let's begin with the most simple and most easiest way to see the difference between them, and that is the pricing plan. So over here we have three pricing plan for the Zapiers. So over here in the free plan, it gives you 100 tasks per month, which is like 100 zaps. Then we have the starter, which has 750 tasks per month, and it's gonna cost you around $20. And then we have the professional, which is around 2,000 tasks, and it's gonna cost you $49 per month, which is around, let's say, $50. And then you have the teams, which is $70, and it's gonna give you 1,000 tasks per month and also give you unlimited users, shared connections, shared workspaces, and premium support. And you have a bunch of different options. Whereas for Make, over here, you can see you have the exact same plans, but the pricing is almost half. So over here, the second plan, the starter on Zapier, it costs you 19, well, let's say $20, whereas in Make, it costs you $9 and it gives you 10,000 ops. You can even choose to have more ops as well. So over here, 10,000 ops per month. If you go with the 20,000 option, it's going to give you $16. So over here, you can choose how many ops you want per month. And then you have other options as well, such as unlimited activity scenarios, minimum 1 minute intervals between schedule scenarios execution, and access to the Make APIs. So you got a bunch of different options as well. And in the free app, you only get 1,000 ops, which is like over here in the Zapier, you only get 100 tasks. So as you can see, it comes down to personal preference, which one works best for you, and which one is more cheaper to you. So over here, let's Make, you get a 1,000 applications. The number of applications are almost similar between both Zapier and Make, but yeah, it comes down to just pricing it at the end of the day. So if you find Make a lot cheaper, then of course go for it. But if Make doesn't work for you, then you always have Zapier, and 750, maybe even 1,000 tasks are more than enough. I don't think a lot of people would need more than 1,000 tasks per month, but it depends on you. But yeah, for some people it could be a little bit smaller, but for some it's just the right amount. So at the end of the day, it depends on you. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.